Where am I? I've been repaired? But what am I doing here?
Wakey, wakey, sleepyhead.
What the? Who are you?
I'm Splatter, and I'm Dodge. Yeah, he's Dodge. The boss wants to meet you.
Who's your boss?
Oh, you'll see. He's a really nice guy, I swear. We all like him. He has big plans for this island, and he said he needs your help to make it better. So we're taking you to him so you can meet him.
Hello, Thomas. The new scrapyard engine? That's the boss? No need to be rude, Thomas. I believe we have mutual interests. What mutual interest could I have with you? I'm a passenger train. Was a passenger train. Pardon? You were a passenger engine. When was the last time you pulled coaches? A while ago. The Fat Controller said I couldn't be trusted after the incident in the 90s. I've been pulling freight ever since. And do you think you deserve to be treated like that? I mean, I've been working on this railway for 150 years, and this is the treatment I get. If you join me, you'll be the pride of the line again. We want to send a message to that fat hat in charge. Join me, and we can bring you back into the limelight. I'm in.
Well, I do say, this is quite a nice change.
I do look splendid if I don't say so myself, but I do.
Yeah, fucking course you do, James. That's all you talk about.
I quite like my new coats of paint.
Well, my paintwork's not going to stay clean for long because the Fat Controller makes me do everything.
Wow, what was his problem?
Without Thomas, Percy and Toby have to run the entire Farquhar branch all alone. He's overworked.
Well, okay, but I don't know what the fuck I did. That was...
Who left these points switched to this line?
Ugh, I haven't been this way of Tidmouth in years.
Hey!
I didn't think Fat Hat kept you around all these years, Timothy.
I presume you're coming to collect this train in one of those diesels left here.
I'm surprised you know what a diesel is, seeing you've been left here for all these years.
I get around more than you think.
Perhaps you'd like to help me, old-timer. The Fat Controller doesn't let you work, but I will. Maybe someone will grow to appreciate you.
You know, me and you aren't so different.
We are not the same! I had an accident, unlike you. You, who threw yourself into the ocean. You, who left me to work alone until James was built! You belong in the scrapyard. It's what you want anyways, isn't it?